Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for February the 16th through to the 18th, 2014. That's this Sunday through till Tuesday. Over the next 3 days we'll be seeing a brief respite from the bad weather for the most part, though more may be on the way, remaining cold for many of us as well, particularly further north. Some nights may fall below freezing. First of all, let's take a look at Sunday for the northern part of the British Isles. As you can see here, it's going to be a partly cloudy day further south, though we may be seeing some rain showers further north in the Northern Highlands area of Scotland, along with the Outer Hebrides as well. High temperatures of around 6 degrees in Western Scotland, 7 degrees in Northern Ireland, where it should also be remaining dry and partly cloudy, so not too bad a day for most of us around here. Further south, we're looking at much better conditions than what we've seen recently. Almost all places in England and Wales should remain dry, with high temperatures of around 8 or 9 degrees. Further south, it's going to be mostly clear with clear skies entirely along the eastern coast of England. We may see a little bit of drizzle in parts of northwestern England. Looking over to Ireland, we'll see some rain coming in from the west throughout the day. High temperatures there of 8 degrees, though partly cloudy mainly. Looking at Sunday night, almost role reversal really over the daytime on Sunday in the northern part of the country. We'll be seeing calm skies in the very northern extremities of the Highlands. We could see some snow over the mountains of the Highlands themselves, and further south we'll be seeing more towards rain. Heavy rain in Northern Ireland with a low temperature of 5 degrees, but in Scotland we could be seeing temperatures falling as low as -2 or 3. Further south, a quiet night, at least to begin with, overcast skies for most of England and Wales, but what we will see is rain creeping in from the west, moving over Ireland first of all. It's going to be a very wet night over there, low temperatures of 6 degrees. In the northern part of England, we could be seeing lows of freezing, and we'll see rain coming into the southwestern part of England and Wales by the end of the night. On to Monday then, and the southern part of Scotland will be seeing the worst of the weather, as well as Northern Ireland as well. We'll be seeing heavy rain in all of those areas, spreading towards the north as well, possibly in terms of sleet and snow as well, in the form of that in the Highlands region of Scotland. High temperatures of around 5 or 6 degrees in Scotland, 8 degrees in Northern Ireland, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving further south, the flood-hit areas, I'm afraid the bad weather will be returning on Monday, with heavy rain throughout most of England and Wales throughout the day. High temperatures of around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius, 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Similar in Ireland, though the rain is clearing throughout the day, possibly giving way to more sunshine towards the latter part of Monday. Highs there of 10 degrees Celsius. Monday night will be predominantly a wet affair for Scotland, the northern extremities probably getting away with it, possibly even some clear skies over on the Shetland Islands, but low temperatures in Scotland of around 2 degrees in Aberdeenshire, with some drizzle further south, a little bit higher temperatures there, around 4 degrees or low. Remaining dry in Northern Ireland, again the low temperature here 4 degrees Celsius. Another overcast night for many of us further south on Monday night as well. We'll be seeing some rain along with that too. The worst affected area is probably the Midlands, which incidentally is where some of the flooding is, so that, again, not very good conditions for that. The far southwest of England might get some clear skies throughout the night, as will Southern Ireland. Low temperatures of 4 degrees in northern parts of England and northern Midlands as well. Low temperatures in Ireland of 6. On Tuesday we'll be seeing some more persistent rain across Scotland, possibly not as heavy as what we've seen recently, though it may be so up north towards the northern parts of the Highlands, and on the Outer Hebrides we'll be seeing some heavier amounts of rain here. It'll be a drizzly day further south, and maybe a little bit of sun in the far north. High temperatures around 7 degrees. In Northern Ireland it'll be overcast and a high of 8. Further south again, it's going to be a very wet day for most of us. The worst will probably be in the central and southeastern parts of England. Along the eastern coast as well, we'll be seeing lots of rain throughout the day, pretty much all the way through the day persistently. High temperatures of around 9 or 10 degrees with a little bit of sunshine appearing towards the southwest. In Ireland it's a much better day, partly cloudy, possibly a little bit of drizzle along the west coast, highs of 10. On Tuesday night we'll be seeing more drizzle than anything across central and northern parts of Scotland. It's a cold night though, low temperatures of around 1 degree Celsius, 34 degrees Fahrenheit. It will be more clear towards the western coast of Scotland, and in Northern Ireland it will remain dry there as well. Overcast skies there though, at low temperature of 3 degrees Celsius. Further south we'll be seeing overcast skies for the most part, a little bit of drizzle along the eastern coast of England, northeast more like, with low temperatures of around 3 degrees in parts of northwestern England and perhaps North Wales. Further south a little bit more milder, low temperatures in the southwest of 6. In Ireland it will be partly cloudy or perhaps overcast towards the western coast with low temperatures of 4 to 6. So that's the weather over the next 3 days, and will it appear to get better? Well, there may be some light at the end of the tunnel on the cards by the end of this coming coming week, perhaps into the weekend, we may see some better conditions appearing for southern parts of the UK where we have high pressure building in. That's what the models are suggesting at the moment. But until that happens, we'll have to make do with what we've got at the moment. The next forecast will be in around 3 days' time.